Imagine a time when the roads were empty and the idea of a car was pure science fiction. Then came the Benz Patent-Motorwagen, the first ever automobile that changed the world forever. Today, we take you inside this masterpiece of engineering, exploring its history, design, and revolutionary functions that paved the way for every car on the road today. The Benz Patent-Motorwagen, invented by Karl Benz in 1886, is widely recognized as the world's first practical automobile powered by a gasoline engine. With its elegant three-wheel design, exposed mechanical parts, and pioneering engineering, it marked the birth of modern transportation. Today, over a century later, the Benz Patent-Motorwagen remains a symbol of innovation, vision, and the start of a revolution that reshaped society. Design and structure. The Motorwagen features a lightweight steel and wood frame, 3 large spoked wheels, and a simple yet effective steering lever. Its single-cylinder internal combustion engine is mounted at the rear, delivering a top speed of around 16 km per h, 10 by 5, fast enough to wow pedestrians of the 19th century. Every curve, wheel, and lever was carefully crafted to combine functionality with simplicity, making it both a machine and a piece of art. Functions and innovation. The Benz Patent-Motorwagen was more than a moving carriage. It was a revolution in mobility. Its engine-driven power replaced horses, providing consistent speed and reliability. The vehicle's manual throttle and brake controls allowed the driver to manage speed and direction with precision, introducing concepts that would become standard in all cars. Its steering lever and pedal-operated clutch showcased early automotive ingenuity, demonstrating how humans could control complex machinery safely and effectively. Legacy and impact. This invention did not just transport people, it transformed the world. Roads were redesigned, cities evolved, and commerce expanded as vehicles replaced horse-drawn carriages. The Benz Patent-Motorwagen proved that human innovation could defy limitations, laying the foundation for modern vehicles like sports cars, electric cars, and even self-driving technology today. Why it matters. Every modern car, from the luxurious Bugatti Chiron to the eco-friendly Tesla, owes its existence to this pioneering machine. Its mechanical simplicity, durable design, and innovative engineering continue to inspire engineers, historians, and car enthusiasts around the world. Seeing the Benz Patent-Motorwagen in a showroom is like looking at the very moment history shifted into motion. This is PowerLux. Power, performance, prestige. Follow for more unstoppable machines.